Okay, so cut out from the picture this figure. So we are in Adobe Photoshop and we want to cut out this shape, head and etc. from this picture. So the easiest way is like this. You first need to tap to point the mouse pointer to this object selection tool, and you click on with the left click on mouse here first, then right click, and then you choose objection selection tools with left click. So you need to do all these objects, so it's the mouse is pointer is something about there. So you press the left click on mouse like and pull something like this, still pressing, and go down, still pressing, don't let the left click, and when it comes to this line and the line is gonna be this color, rose or rose color, I think it's, then you pull out the left click on mouse. The computer will do, the Photoshop will do for the Photoshop do the rest. Photoshop do this, and for we can manage some small things like, I don't know, eyebrows. We can do the easiest way is to first to enlarge this picture. We can enlarge it with a keyboard Ctrl plus approximately 3 times. Okay, so I press Ctrl and plus 1, 2, 3. So you see, this is the small changes we can do here. For example, like this. We do it also with the object selection tool. So here with a mouse I can press the right button on the mouse and choose with left button on mouse quick selection tool, like this, click. So we can see is it that press that we are want. Again, only to see, again tap here with the right. It is because this little spot, white spot, is here, not here, this. Okay, you see this well, I'm now on the left eye, and you see this circle with plus in its center. With that we can do the change. So for example, when you want to move this line right here, so it is here and you want it here, you just click something about there, one click with left mouse click, and it can be done, you see. Then again here, and for example here and here and here. Okay, so it is that we can do with eyebrows also, like this. Okay, Here maybe this, this, like this, okay, and like this. No, so no, edit under quick selection. Maybe here, no, edit under. Okay, it's a little bit tricky. Like this. So I touch here. I press here and it's quite good. This is too much. Okay, it's practically that. So we can Ctrl a minus now. Do on keyboard Ctrl a minus, minus, minus. We can check the mouth. Ctrl plus, plus, plus. It's okay. Minus, minus, minus. So it's okay. It's about. And now we need to save this on the another layer. We do it on edit and copy, then file, then new, clipboard is okay, create. There is another picture here, so we can do edit and paste. That's it. Now we can save it somewhere where we want, like this file, and save as. Goodbye.